Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another top 3 favourite products video, and today I have got my mascaras. Before we get started, please just make sure that you're subscribed as well, because I would love to grow my audience and I need your help to do so. But on to today's video. So the first mascara I wanted to talk to you about was a complete absolute all-time favourite of mine, and that is the Lancome Hypnose mascara. And I love this one because it is a great natural look, but it's so buildable as well. And I just find that this one doesn't flake off at all during the day. I can apply it sort of at 7, 8 o'clock in the morning and it's still on about 9 o'clock at night. And it's not difficult to get off either. A lot of mascaras that stay on all day and have this great staying power can be really difficult to take off in the evening. But this comes off super easy with pretty much any makeup remover. You don't need a specific one. It just comes off really easy and really naturally. It doesn't irritate at all, and yeah, I absolutely love it. The second mascara I wanted to talk about was the Black Magic Mascara Drama and Curl, and this is by Ico. This has been one of my favourites for a very long time, and to be honest, I didn't think it would be. I've spoken about this one before on my channel, but the wand is kind of a bit odd. It's a bit curved, and I never thought I would get used to it at all, but it's so easy to use, and it actually curves to the shape of what your eyelashes are anyway, so you don't notice the difference. But again, this is super long lasting, and it is enriched. I believe it's got some oils and some oils and shea butter in it as well, so it's actually really good at conditioning your lashes as well, which, to be honest, I have to admit I'm one of those people that don't really think about sort of my eyelashes all that much, but obviously they need looking after too, and this product is perfect for that. And lastly, I couldn't mention mascaras without my Benefit Bad Gal Lash, and for me, I mean, first of all, look at the size of the wand. It's huge. This is definitely my night out mascara. I have actually got it on today, but I've only been able to put on a little bit because otherwise it'll be full-blown lashes. If you want the sort of, not necessarily fake lashes, but the big bold lashes, then this is definitely for you. I would say the only thing with this one, I do get a bit under my eye after a while, and it can still smudge sort of hours later as well, but for sort of a night out or a smoky eyed look, this is brilliant. So thank you for watching my latest video. Please remember to like and subscribe, as I mentioned earlier. I will be back with another top 3 products soon, but until then, why not check back at some of my previous videos and see what I've been up to recently, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye bye.